Seedance 2.5 is live, and before I show you a single dragon, look at this, a girl on a rooftop, fixing her hair, vaulting a wall, reaching for a cat, nothing explodes, and that is the hardest thing in this entire media kit. One bit of precision first, because it matters. The pre-sale is live right now. Today you get unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K. 2.5 itself unlocks in 7 days. So let's start with receipts. The media kit ships 15 comparisons. Same prompt, both models, 30 seconds each. I didn't sample them. I measured all 15, frame by frame, looking for the moment each generation stops changing. Here is every single one. Seedance 2.0 stops somewhere between 13 and 15 seconds. The mean is 14.4, 15 out of 15, no exceptions. Seedance 2.5 stops in 0 of them. It runs the full 30 every time. And that gap is not trivia. 14 seconds is roughly one shot. 30 seconds is a scene. That is the difference between generating clips and actually shooting something. So what do you do with it? Start with scale. A hand the size of a building, tiny people underneath staged in an empty white void with nothing to hide behind. The proportion holds all the way through. Then the obvious register, burning battlefields, spear riders, a demon lord in the snow. This is what everybody shows you, and it is good at it, but keep watching. Science fiction, spires, hover cars, a jet threading a burning skyline, then a pull back to the whole planet. The scale keeps changing and the world stays consistent. And then this, same model, same week, a Korean rooftop, late afternoon. She fixes her hair, she drops down off a wall, she reaches for a cat, and the cat moves like a cat. There is no spectacle here at all, and that is exactly why it's the most impressive clip in the set. Faces and casual human motion are where these models normally fall apart. Music video, a full stage choreography, hard color, and the same face across every cut. Holding an identity through a 30-second take is a genuinely hard problem. Horror, a flooded garage, a figure that grows far too many arms, purple glyphs, embers. It reads practical rather than cartoonish. And flight, dragons over water pillars, a canyon at sunset, a body actually moving through air instead of sliding across it. That is 6 completely different registers out of one model. And honestly, that's the real argument for unlimited. Not that any single clip is flawless, but that you can test a rooftop drama and a mech battle in the same afternoon without watching a credit meter. Now, the honest part, and please don't skip it. Seedance 2.5 is not on the platform today. This is a pre-sale. That is the entire reason the price exists. What you get immediately is Seedance 2.0 in 4K unlimited, and 2.0 is the model that stops at 14.4 seconds. So week 1 is 4K volume on the old model. Week 2 is the new one. If you generate a clip a month, skip this. If you're building a reel or you re-roll the same shot 20 times to land it, unlimited is the entire point. Seedance 2.5 is live. Get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield, 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K, then switch to Seedance 2.5 for the next 7 days. Link is in the first line of the description and pinned in the comments. Limited availability and the timer on that page is real. If you want it, now is the time. I'll do a full breakdown the day 2.5 actually unlocks. Subscribe for that one.